Absolutely. Here's a rewritten version of the news story tailored to a general UK YouTube audience. It starts with a compelling hook and flows in a clear, conversational, and emotionally resonant tone. Things just got very real on the global stage, and your wallet might be about to feel it. In a dramatic escalation of the ongoing trade war, China has announced a jaw-dropping 125% tariff on US goods, kicking in tomorrow. This move comes hot on the heels of the US slapping 145% tariffs on Chinese imports. These are not small numbers, and they've triggered a fresh wave of panic across the financial world. So what's really going on here? Well, in a press conference, former President Donald Trump and Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent tried to strike a confident tone. Trump claimed the US is very close to sealing new trade deals with key countries, but only if the terms are favorable. He stressed, "I could make every deal in one day if I wanted to, but we're not settling for bad deals. But if no progress is made within 90 days. Trump made it crystal clear, the higher tariffs will stay. No extensions. No compromises. The markets didn't take that well. Wall Street took another nosedive, wiping out the gains from a strong rally just days before. It's a pattern eerily familiar to the chaos we saw during the COVID-19 years. Up one day, down the next, pure uncertainty. Downward trend Asian markets. Plunged. Downward trend European markets. Barely holding on. Upward trend US futures. Slightly up, but traders are jittery. It's like the entire financial world is waiting for the next shoe to drop. Economists are deeply worried. Former Treasury official Steve Ratner didn't mince words, calling the current trade strategy the worst economic policymaking I've seen in 50 years. He even joked his border collie could run the economy better than the current US administration. Ratner highlighted the real issue: this isn't just about tariffs. It's about trust, or the lack of it. America's global reputation has taken a huge hit. European allies, once closely aligned with Washington, now see the US as unpredictable and unreliable. During a recent trip across Europe, Ratner said leaders were really scared about the direction the US is heading. Instead of isolating China, the US may have accidentally pushed the rest of the world closer to it. Case in point, the EU just dropped tariffs on Chinese electric vehicles, a major pivot that shows where global alliances might now be shifting. And here's where it could hit closer to home. If this continues, expect higher prices on everything from electronics to food. That shiny new iPhone. It's about to get a whole lot more expensive. Meanwhile, Trump's team is scrambling. They're in talks with Japan, South Korea, and other allies, hoping to strike quick deals and restore some stability. But there's no timeline, and confidence is crumbling fast. As one analyst put it, the stock market might bounce back with a single deal, but rebuilding trust and economic stability, that's going to take a lot longer. Bullseye final note to viewers. So, where does this leave us? In short, uncertainty rules the day. Will Trump's hardline gamble pay off, or are we heading for a full-blown trade crisis with global consequences? Stay tuned, we'll be tracking every twist and turn. Let me know if you'd like this turned into a YouTube script format with voiceover cues, visuals, or headlines added in.